Senku finally tracked down the origin of the petrification beam. He was shocked to see mountains of petrification devices piled up everywhere. It dawned on Senku that humanity was doomed to be petrified the moment these devices appeared. A while back, the group needed to cross a mountain range. Senku decided to build a set of mechanical equipment for the crossing. Once she learned about his plan, Kahaku used the bounce from tires and her own jumping ability. She leaped all the way to the other side of the mountain. Yukio then grabbed his bow and arrow. First, he shot a guide rope across the gap. After that, he pulled a steel cable over along the rope. Senku tied a microphone to the line to turn it into a makeshift telephone. Following Senku's directions, the two sides worked closely together. They quickly built a cable car using wheel hubs. Senku did a quick calculation. He figured the cable car could carry a maximum weight of 160 kilograms. Everyone took their turns and boarded the cable car one after another as arranged. This handy means of transport greatly boosted their work efficiency. When it was Suka's group's turn, a sudden gust of wind blew through. Suka was swept off the cliff by accident. Kahaku cut the traction rope right away and managed to catch her. Unfortunately, Kahaku got stuck hanging halfway down the mountainside too. Hyoga pulled both of them up to safety immediately. After getting over the mountains, the science team stepped into the Amazon rainforest. They put their motorcycle back together and kept moving forward. They pushed through countless hardships and obstacles. In the end, they arrived at a rushing river, their final stretch. They just needed to float downstream to reach the source of the petrification beam. The Amazon rainforest was full of hidden dangers. Venomous bugs could be found everywhere. Senku made rubber boots to keep the insects from biting them. They hunted wild beasts easily for food. Suka helped out by picking wild fruits along the way. To protect himself, Zeno burned citrus plants to make insect repellent spray. As they drew closer to their destination, something unexpected happened. Suka found one of the petrification devices in the river. Chrome shouted out in pure excitement. Yet what lay ahead was far more than a single device. They looked up and saw bright glimmers covering every hill and dale. Right then, Senku grabbed a handful of the petrification devices. He recited the activation command without a moment's hesitation. The whole group stood there stunned by what they saw. Luckily, the devices did not activate at all. Unlike the others, Taiju had already figured out Senku's plan. He said his final parting words to everyone. Then he dove straight into the huge pile of petrification devices.